Let's see how to make samosa sheets at home. Take 2 cups of maida, 2 teaspoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Add water as required. Make sure not to add too much water. The dough must be stiff. Knead this into a stiff dough. Divide the dough into small and equal sized portions. Now roll them into small size sheets and keep it aside. Take one sheet, apply some oil and sprinkle some maida and place another sheet over it. Repeat the process. You could place 4 sheets at a time and roll it into a large sheet. Now heat the sheets on a hot tawa or pan on a low flame. Heat it for about 30 to 40 seconds on each side. While it's hot, peel off the sheets like this. You could peel it while it's on the pan as it comes out easily. If that's too hot for you, place the sheets over a surface and peel it off immediately. Cut it into a square by removing the edges for spring roll sheets. For samosa sheets, use a round plate to even the sheet and cut it into half. You can store these sheets in Ziploc bags and keep in freezer. It can be stored up to 1 month. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.